In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to react on Instagram DMs with emojis. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to your direct messages, and you're going to click on the conversation where you want to react with an emoji. Now, you can double tap if you want to react with a heart, but I'm going to remove that and place your finger on the message and hold. This is how it should look when you hold the message. Now you can react with any emoji that you would like. You can even go through all of the emojis and click one that you want to react with. Now you can only react with one at a time, so if I were to choose a laughing emoji, then that would replace the previous emoji that I reacted with. If you don't have this option when you go onto your Instagram DMs, you are going to have to go to your settings and report the problem. But that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.